the world of real estate where dreams meet brick and mortar. But in today's digital age, it's also where AI meets valuation and virtual reality. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer just a buzzword, it's transforming industries, and real estate is no exception. Traditional methods of valuing a property often fall short, relying on broad market trends and historical data. But enter AI and the game changes dramatically. Let's hear from a real estate analyst to understand better. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to analyze hundreds, if not thousands, of data points. From the architectural nuances of a property to the coffee shop around the corner, everything factors into the valuation. It's a more holistic, accurate approach. Artificial intelligence isn't just revolutionizing the way we value properties, it's changing how we perceive them. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the essence of a property. Virtual tours powered by AI are a game changer. Potential buyers can now explore properties from anywhere in the world, getting a feel as if they're really there. AI has transformed the real estate industry, creating virtual tours that are so immersive, they transport you right into your dream home. Now, let's hear from a realtor who uses these tours to help buyers find their perfect home. Thanks to AI, I can show clients around a property without them having to step foot in it. It's not just about convenience, it's about bringing the property to life in a way that traditional photos just can't. But it's not just about viewing properties. These virtual tours learn from user interactions, as explained by a VR tour developer. Our virtual tours are interactive. They learn from user interactions, highlighting features potential buyers care about most. It's like having a personal tour guide that knows exactly what you're looking for. Imagine walking through your dream home, customizing interiors, changing wall colors, or rearranging furniture, all through a virtual interface. And for sellers, this means insights, understanding what buyers love or don't about their property. The power of artificial intelligence doesn't stop at providing a virtual tour experience, it also offers an invaluable tool for sellers, a deep dive into buyer preferences. Imagine this. Each time a potential buyer steps into the virtual space of your property, their interactions, their focus, their dwell time on specific features, everything is recorded. This data, when analyzed by AI algorithms, provides a unique feedback loop. It reveals what aspects of the property are attracting buyers and what parts might be causing them to hesitate. Take the experience of a property seller we spoke with. Using AI-generated insights, I realized that my property's kitchen was a key selling point. But the master bedroom was not generating the same interest. With this knowledge, I could highlight the kitchen's features in my listing and make improvements to the bedroom. It's feedback in real time. I can make adjustments, stage my home better, and increase its appeal. AI in real estate, where technology meets tradition, ensuring every property transaction is informed, immersive, and truly innovative. As we've journeyed through the marvels of AI in the real estate industry, we've seen how it's transforming valuation, enhancing virtual tours, and providing sellers with invaluable insights. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine AI algorithms predicting market trends, suggesting the perfect time to buy or sell, or virtual reality evolving to such an extent that you can literally feel the textures of your potential home. AI is here to augment our abilities, not replace them. It's about creating a seamless blend of human intuition and machine intelligence. For professionals, it's a tool to deliver better results. For buyers and sellers, it's about making informed decisions and experiencing properties like never before. AI in real estate, building the future of property exploration. The future is here, and it's as exciting as it is innovative.